Understanding, that wasn't like me, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, that wasn't like me. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language, especially in conveying emotions and personal reflections. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, usage, and nuances to help you express yourself more accurately in English. That wasn't like me is a phrase used to express that a specific action, behavior, or response you exhibited was uncharacteristic of you. It implies a deviation from how you usually act, think, or feel. This phrase is often used in moments of self-reflection or apology, acknowledging that the behavior was not representative of one's typical self. This phrase can be used in various contexts, such as apologizing, reflecting on past actions, or expressing regret. Here are some examples. Apologizing. I snapped at you earlier, and that wasn't like me. I'm really sorry. Reflecting. Looking back, getting so angry over something so minor wasn't like me. Expressing regret. I made a decision that I now regret. That decision wasn't like me at all. It's a way to express that you recognize the inconsistency in your behavior and are possibly seeking understanding or forgiveness from others. Using the phrase, that wasn't like me, also highlights the importance of self-awareness in communication. It shows an ability to assess one's actions critically and acknowledge when they don't align with personal values or typical behavior patterns. This can be a powerful tool in personal growth and in building or repairing relationships. Understanding and using the phrase, that wasn't like me, effectively can enrich your English communication, especially in conveying personal reflections and emotions. It allows for a deeper connection with others by showing vulnerability and self-awareness. We hope this video has helped clarify how and when to use this phrase in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more English language nuances with you.